We're gonna do medicine ball crunches, and it's just like it sounds, it's a crunch with the medicine ball. We're just gonna amp up those crunches. So on a basic crunch, let's get our form down. You wanna lay down on the mat, knees up, feet on the ground. Put your hands slightly behind your head, and you're gonna bring it up and squeeze as you come up. Slow and controlled, and make sure you're not looking up to put strain on your neck. You're actually doing a C curve and looking your gaze towards your quads. So this is a regular crunch. You're gonna breathe out, breathing in on the way down. Now we're gonna take the medicine ball. This is gonna be a little bit harder. And then what you're going to do is take the ball, you can bring it up and squeeze. So you are in control of the intensity. If you pick 10 pounds, 15, 20, and make sure you squeeze as you come up, release and relax. Squeeze, contract, release, and relax. And there you have it. That is the medicine ball crunch.